Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to download and install Node.js on Windows. So first of all, go to Node.js website. So you can just search for Node.js in Google and go to this nodejs.org website. I will put the link in the description, and after that go to this download section and click on this Windows installer button, and it will start downloading the Node.js setup. And if you have base 86, make sure to select that, or if you have ARM64 based processor, make sure to select this version. Otherwise it won't run properly on your operating system. So as you can see, now it's downloading. So after downloading the setup, double click on it to start the installation. So when you open the installation window, you will see something similar to this, and click on next button to continue and accept the license agreement and click next. And in this window you can select the folder location where you want to install the Node.js. For now I select this default file location and click next and click next. So here it asks you whether you want to install some kind of other necessary tools or not. For now I skip this and click next and click install to start the installation. And click yes. So now you can see it installing, and click finish to finish the installation. And now open your Windows terminal and type node and -c and hit enter. You can see now Node.js is successfully installed, and version is 22.20.0. But in case that you don't see this Node version after input this command, and if you see an error, that means you need to set up the environment variable to run the Node.js in Windows. So to do that, go to environment variables and click on environment variables, and in here you have to add the Node.js path to this environment variable section. To do that, go to local disk C and go to program files and locate where you installed the Node.js. In my case it's here, and click copy the path and add it to here. Variable value should be this Node.js path, and variable name you can name whatever you want. For example, type Node.js and click OK. So in that case it will add to your Windows path, and you can run any node command in your Windows system. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.